So it's TG
And Shan.
and here again with another big
Bam.
Don't forget to like,
Share.
and subscribe
And turn on your post notification bell.
over there. So today I do the makeup challenge. Boyfriend does girlfriend's makeup. Me don't know nothing about doing makeup, so I have to see with me. So if you see me mess up her face, just know say clown Shan. So we have our wipes because you have to clean off the dirty surface. Easy one.
So I'm gonna get pampering.
Stop it talking, you know? Why you want pampering?
Wait, I'm gonna get her.
Listen. Stop it talking, no? Jeez, I'm clean. As I can see, shouldn't really that dirty. So, where are my pencils? I don't have to use a brown one.
Yeah, use black on my eyebrow?
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm gonna use brown.
Obviously, you don't see enough videos. Never do good on TV, you know.
What you do?
Hold on. I said, go.
But now I see.
If we call it you.
Color it. You're supposed to shade it in.
Eh? I'm not supposed to shade it
Fill
you.
it in.
Yeah. Yo, this unfair. Because if you do it with somebody on my eyebrow.
You're a good makeup artist.
I'm not a makeup. No,
What you do?
this don't look good.
So what you do? Rub it off.
Yo, hold on. This now.
I never reach the way.
This is not my strong point. It's my weak point in the video. It now look like how I see them do it. Don't you color in the eyebrow? You color in the something?
Yeah, but not, you know, press down too much.
I ask you what if you do. Color the eyebrow. What? You're not
Shape it
telling
out
me.
first. Yeah, shape it out. And then fill it in.
And whosoever line up your eyebrow do a shitty job. I don't want to do it to make it look like this. Okay? You can have an idea of what it is.
For the eyebrow, you do this.
No man, I don't. Right or not?
This. Conceal the eyebrow.
Yeah.
For this.
This is the concealer. Yeah, I know this a woman's life. And love say, no, don't concealer. Oh my god, my waist it. Yes, I said the look for your face right there. Stop laugh. Yeah, this don't look good. Sure. This don't look good. This. Where's the foundation?
That's right, that. Pick your choice. You know look bad.
That don't look good.
In a curve. Nice, but in a awful. Take it where it's not that.
No, I don't the way I'm not good. The eyeliner. Some foundation time. think I could do better at carnival makeups.
Why?
This will be sure. Yeah. Okay, gross.
Oh, yeah, laugh.
This now look good. Because I'm not so. I'm not so. This now their face not justice.
You don't look bad.
Stop. Yo! What do you do to
But you
stop?
blend it properly. You just need a darker one to cover it now for make
Why
it
this
match.
stay so? Why this stay so?
Because the woman didn't need wrong thing.
That one now.
Yeah. But that good one will get ready.
This should be the one I'm blend up with.
Yeah. Lani.
Milan, yeah?
Foundation and concealer.
Concealer and foundation
In one.
in one. Just do what I said. It's trust. You guys don't understand the pain TG is going through. I'm stressed out.
Yeah, stressful.
Man, on the appreciate when the girl them put on makeup for me. Trust me. I appreciate it, but me not really care about makeup in a but I appreciate it still. Swear. This is not another challenge I'll be ever doing. Never hear this. Never hear this. I hate when the girl them face black and them face look white. Yeah, sweat, you know. I'm not sweating. So what are the real this? This make on pretty?
People think you may not look pretty.
And this make on somebody?
Really?
No, me ask you no, cause
It make you feel like
no
you're
fun to lick
somebody
out against
else.
bleaching, right?
But I don't really wear makeup.
One fun to lick out against bleaching, but when still I do them something, yeah.
It's really like a good friend.
So no most man if you have so much things on it. You need a frontal.
Frontal.
Yeah, to cover all of this, huh? Just
You're the good man.
this is not good, because I don't like this. Yeah guys, so you know, right now we reach right here, put on the shadow, eyeshadow, but the video had stopped. I don't know why. Probably somebody that called me, whosoever it was, behave yourself. Yeah, but you can see. Baby, that's it. Isn't she pretty? Come on. Babes, you have to love yourself. Come on. Oh God.
You're not done. You have a lipstick, eyeliner,
I'm not doing the
and
eyeliner.
mascara.
I'm not doing that.
Mascara.
I'm not doing the eyeliner.
See your mascara here.
Where is it? You don't have to organize it. So which brand is this? So this is the
L'Oreal.
no-name
L'Oreal.
mascara.
Paris.
You can't believe her because we don't see anything here.
Wapa.
Waba. Come. So you can't believe her. So come. Come on.
You blind me.
Nothing not wrong. You're throwing me off. Open your eye.
You throw me off.
Open your eyes.
Alright, that's it. Over this.
My lady, you don't tell me what to do.
You put me in my eye.
I don't put in your eye. Not the eye poke. Open your eye. No, open. Trying to make it look like someone's child.
I'm right here.
This is finished.
Yeah.
So what am I?
Can't find it in the island.
Easy boy can't find my eye.
Oh,
You know which top beauty store there?
So after 3 years,
you don't go nowhere. You don't go nowhere.
Sovereign
Come.
pharmacy.
Stop them. Listen, you gotta stop.
Stop.
Stop talk. Give me some more. And then you know get more clients.
With this way.
You have somebody out there that like it. Oh fuck! Your eyelash them shot. Eyebrow them lip off. Blink! Eyebrow on blink. Oh blink! Oh wait, where's the lip liner? The same.
The pencil in here.
It's ready clowning. Mac. Stay one place. Alright, clowns don't move. You mess up the line, you know, man. You mess up the lining. You mess it up. First thing, them are old. Alright? We can't work with old stuff. Let me tell you this. We can't work with old things. It's a paper.
Find it funny. I feel like a clown. You done?
I'm bronzy up there.
You done?
Yeah. So guys,
Zoom in for your work.
that's the end of the video.
To explain your work,
So
what
look
was
there.
your inspiration for this?
This was out of many one clowns. Understand me? Yeah, it wasn't an easy job because you will see the video, but trust me, out of many one clowns. Turn. Come, clowny. Let the people see you. So what do you think about?
So what I think about my face? Alright, I'm going to low down.
Why?
I'm going to the truth. I don't think it's horrible. Alright. So the eyebrow them now, it's not terrible. But obviously one can conceal some more and the shading could have shaded out better.
Because the pencil not good.
And the eyeshadow, I think that's the best part of it.
The eyeshadow?
The eyeshadow.
You mean the lashes?
Oh yeah, the lash is nice. You know the lash is nice. But you're missing some eyeliner. The lip lining obviously need a
No, because it was moving.
The lipstick not bad. Lipstick alright.
Can you have nice
But
lips
you
like
think
that? Full lips, I mean.